What's going on? It's your boy DJ Laz Vagez, man. Welcome to Ultimate Unboxing RadioFWD Edition. I want to present a brand new piece of equipment that we have purchased not long ago. We went to RANE ONE MKII and traded in our new Mark NS3. Let me tell you, that is a soldier of equipment. It ran for over 10 years, rocking parties from campus to club. Now we upgraded. And what we upgraded to is the RANE ONE MKII 2-channel motorized DJ controller with built-in effects and stem control. I don't want to do too much talking. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, so the RANE ONE MKII comes in like, you know, that standard black, like brown box. You know, like box that furniture comes in. It's pretty, you know, even like video game boxes come prettier than this. I'm not trying to knock them or anything, but I mean, it's nothing to die for when it comes to the packaging. You have the name of the controller, RANE ONE MKII, obviously backed by Serato. And in the front, if I lift up, you have like the turntables, and you have the name of the brand and the name of the product with Serato backing it. So very, very lackluster when it comes to the box in its own right. They also have a QR code, so for optimum platter performance, scan the QR code for setup instructions. So for you, if you want your platter to perform in the way you want it to perform, make sure you guys use the QR code. I haven't used it yet, but you know, we will. Once you open the box, you'll see more instructions. As you can see, guys, it says scan code to get started, all right? And it has a couple QR codes, something about inmusic.to/recycle, all right? Obviously, recycle, reduce, reuse, all right? If you guys don't know the 3 codes, the 3 R's, you learned that when you're very, very young, back in the 90s. If you're old like me, I'm dating myself. Let's get to the opening of our product here, all right? So the first 3 that we have, oh, this is heavy. We have this box, okay? I don't know what's in here, so let's open it up and see what we got, you know? And be careful, don't use an X-Acto knife for some of these things because you might, you know, cut through some stuff and then you'll get upset that, oh my God, I left a mark on my product. No good, no good, no good. So make sure you be careful when using a scissors or an X-Acto knife, or even get a safety X-Acto knife, one with a very little blade, and then it just stops at where the point of, where that very pointy part is. It will, you know what I'm saying? Lo and behold, oh, we got the platters, okay. So I guess we have 2 of the platters here. Oh, this platter is very heavy. It's very steel, all right? Real deal Holyfield steel. Very, very heavy platter. And underneath the platter comes, oh, I guess I gotta use my scissors to cut it. I don't wanna cut anything else. There you go, we snap that right there. Oh, and then it has the top part of the platter. So this is the bottom part of the platter, and this is the top part of the platter. But we'll get into that after we unbox the whole thing. Okay, let me just put it right here on my speaker stand, and we'll throw this box in the corner. Next, we already know what this is. It's another platter. It's the left or right platter, whatever I decide which part it is. Oh, goodness. Let's open it up, open it up, open it up. God dang it. Why do you use such hard tape? That tape is very hard. Once again, we got platter, all right? And we got the top of the platter. Ooh. I still can't believe it's so heavy, but it should be heavy, all right? Platter, top of the platter, all right? Let's put this on my speaker stand. All right, let's put this away over here. And the third piece of equipment in the box is the cords. So we have a cable cord. It uses it looks like it uses that standard speaker cord that every computer or every like heavy equipment uses. Yes, the 3-prong. All right, it has a 3-prong, which is perfect because the 3 prongs always get lost in the sauce. So it's always good to have a 3-prongers. It also comes with whatever this is. All right, it comes with glue. I think this is glue, and a QR code on how to set up your new RANE. Okay, and it comes with like it looks like washers. So if you guys hold on, let me show you guys. All right, so this first thing, I don't want to lose anything. Oh, so this is deoxit fader. Apply to conductive plastic faders. Maybe it like cleans the fader. I'm not sure what this is, but this comes with it, if you guys see it. And then it comes with washers as well. All right, it comes with these little plastic washers. All right, so you guys make sure to take care of that. Don't lose that. You might need this in the future for some reason. I don't know yet, but I will know soon. Comes with your quick start guide. So if you want to get started quickly, it comes with your safety instructions. It comes with a couple cards, Serato PNT DJ. Change a track's key and tempo with perfect audio quality. All right, it comes with that. Sound switch, seamless syncs, DJ software and lighting, pretty dope. So we get the free software for that, and it gives us a welcome. Welcome to the RANE family, all right? It gives us the registration for the RANE, bunch of stickers. I am a RANE DJ, RANE. All right, I'm about to put that on my laptop, and it comes with Ethernet to USB-C. I have never seen this cord in my entire life. Wow, that is crazy. So it comes with like, you know, the old school printer port MIDI out, and the other end is USB-C. This is crazy, bro. Wowzers. I never, I never seen this cord in my life. This is a dope cord. I wonder if it's universal to other like MIDI things like keyboards and stuff, right? Like you can use it on keyboards and whatnot. Because I'm pretty sure they use USB 3.0 or 3.1 now. But yeah, that's it. That's for the cord. That was the middle box. All right, push that to the side. It has like silicone. I know people like to play with this stuff. I don't. I absolutely hate it. Oh, and then it comes with, and then it's, I guess this is it. All right, so I'm about to, oh gosh, darn it. So 2 styrofoams on the side. We'll put that to the side. And now we have our RANE. As a matter of fact, for me to like, for it to get some height, I will do a switcher. And I just dropped the RANE. Okay, I dropped on this leg, so it's okay, guys, it's okay. The RANE Mark II, still in its little plastic thingies. We about to get it out. All right, as you see, ooh, nice and white, wow. So the RANE Mark II comes in white. I'm not sure if it comes in any other color, but it comes in white. I'm telling you right now, this feels extremely amazing. If you're a DJ, I guess we'll start from the top here. So we have our scroll load on both left and right decks. So scrolling for the song, select it, load it. We have a reverse sensor, silent cue. We have mode switching, so I guess you can change from hot cues to stems. So it has vocal, melody, bass, and drums, and it also has hot cues, S-Bank sampler stems as well. So you have four buttons at the top here. We have your stop time, because it is motorized. You know, if you ever use 1200s, you know that you have stop time. If you press stop, it goes, you know what I'm saying? You can make it quicker, you can make it smaller. You got some more stems button here. So it's like optimized for stems. You have acapella, you have an acapella button, you have your instrumental button in like one quick fell of a whoop, like I guess. You also have stems effects. I'm not sure if the stems effects are for the acapellas or not. This is something I have to test out when I have time to test it out. You obviously got your range, your key lock, you got your shift, you got your cue, you got your sync, you got your start, you got your stop. Hot cues, saved loop, roll, sampler, stems, okay? And you obviously, everybody that uses Serato knows, you can switch those things around. You got 8 hot keys, 8 pads right here on both sides. You got your loop, so loop on, loop off. You can loop in, you can loop out. Beautiful. It's like right here for the re-loop in, and you catch your pitch bend. Amazing. In the middle, in the mixing section, okay, you got your line, so you can throw in a line in there. You got your A's and you got your B's, right? A side, B side. DJs know. You got your main volume. You also got your levels here. I want to assume the list of the levels for the. I'm gonna assume this is the levels for the effects. Because you have your highs, you have your mids, you have your lows on both ends. You got your volume for the main. You have your volume for the booth. Okay, you got your mic 1 effects, you tap it on, tap off. You got your hardware, software effects, I want to assume, plus the menu, because there's a menu right here in the middle. You got your main effects options, so you can switch to see which effects you can use. You could go up to the beat, I guess, the BPM beat, whatever. Echo, recycler, scale, echo out, matrix, reverb. Obviously, this is the effects when you know what I'm saying. All right. You got CFX buttons here. You got your Q buttons here. That front panel, okay, you got your mics, and you can, you have EQs on the mics here, okay? You got your levels, you can turn it off, you can turn it on, all right? You got your low and your highs on both. And this is also acts as an aux. Mic 2 also acts as an aux. I want to assume the mic 1 and mic 2 is in the back there. You got your sample level here in the front. You got your channel contour in the middle here. So obviously you want it to fade more, you want it to fade less. You know what channel contouring is. You got your crossfade contour as well. So there's 2 different contours. You got your Q mix, you got your Q level. And you got your headphones, 1/4 inch and 3.5 millimeters as a standard. You got a beautiful RANE symbols on the left and right. You see that? Very beautiful, very beautiful. Oh, and I should show you the front too. Oh, what I was talking about. As you can see all the buttons here. And on the back side of things, we have our mic 1, mic 2 line-ins. We have our auxiliary ins. We have our channel ins. We have our mains. We have our main outs. For the speakers, we have our booth outs for the speakers. We have 2 USB ports, USB-A, USB-B. We have torque, so the motor torque can go high and low. Usually we do high. It even got a fan, got our power, where the power goes in, and we have our power, we have a power button, okay? Very, very, very nice, very nice. So the one thing I already love about this is it just feels professional. It feels like a legit turntables, you know what I'm saying? Something that I'm honestly love and something that I'm used to. Oh, it comes with its slip mat too. Let's just throw that in there. All right, we throw the slip mat in this, and we're gonna take our vinyl. It even comes in a vinyl, like, come on. Like, it comes in a vinyl, like, you know, like, bro, this is so cute. It comes in a vinyl. That is honestly thoughtful. That is so thoughtful. But yeah, we just push it in here, I assume, and I believe it clicks, all right? So it already feels like vinyl. Like, it feels like I need gloves for scratching and shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shoot, bro. Oh, shoot, bro. I'm back. He's back. Ah! This is nice. I'm not even gonna hold you, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. So yeah, it does have a little click thing, so you just can't pull it off. And let me put in the next one. Let me just slap in the next one, man. Let's slap in the next one right here. All right, let's get that in here. Are we in? I don't feel like we're in, man. Oh, I think we're in. I think we are in. It's almost like having a baby. Are we in there? I think we're in. I think we are inside, birthing this child. Okay, nice little cute vinyl. This makes me want to get vinyl again, bro. This makes me want to get like records, bro. Like, this is so thoughtful. This is so thoughtful. Okay. Okay. That's nice. That is nice. Should I turn it on? You guys want to see it on? Let's turn it on, guys. Let's turn it on. I am heavily excited to see the motor spin. All right, let's get a trusty power cable here. The common computer power cable. This is a very handy cable. This cable probably makes the most money. This has been in existence since I was a child. These kind of cables. It's madness. All right. Oh, I can just put it here. All right, the moment of truth. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And it's on, and it's nice, and it's blue. Look at that. Very pretty. Can we go to the menu? That's for the cut. Shift. Okay. Main meter. Firmware. Okay. That is dope. That is dope. Start. Oh! You see how it just stopped like that? Yeah, when you do that, it goes, oh man, I'm so excited to lock in with these, man. I'm so excited. But hey, that is it. The RANE ONE MKII. Oh my God, this is so sexy. Honestly, like, just having something like this makes me wanna, I wanna DJ again. Can I DJ again for you guys? I miss DJing for you guys. I miss DJing. I'll probably do some parties now, you know what I'm saying? Just based on the fact that I got this, you feel me? Shout out to RadioFWD. Obviously, with this unboxing, this is a beautiful piece of handiwork. This is a beautiful piece of work, man. I am heavily excited to get busy on these joints right here. With that being said, it's your boy Vegas for RadioFWD. I'm off this. Peace.